Who's funny in your house, Bobby? Your mom or your dad?
Well, when my dad's drinking, he does a funny thing. He beats my mom.
All right, dude.
My dad was a chronic alcoholic.
What does dog taste like?
Apparently, it's the best meat in the...
Don't give me apparently.
I'm telling you right now.
Don't give me apparently. Just tell me what it tastes like.
It's real good.
I don't look yellow.
You're not Asian.
I don't look yellow.
You're.
What is that?
You know...
I'm your dad. I'm your son.
Okay.
Hey, Dad.
Bobby.
No, you have to.
Do it. Sorry, just do it like me.
It's very pretty.
She's a beautiful woman.
Unlike your cross-eyed mother.
Well, you don't have to fucking get...
I'm not Bobby mother. I'm Bobby mom.
When I was in when I was 9, I got molested by a guy with Down syndrome.
Don't laugh, Brennan.
I'm not laughing.
Why'd you laugh?